Hello, we're the Loah family. Today we're introducing our 7th Korean hot spring. This is a water park where you can enjoy activities and relaxation with natural hot spring water. It's more reasonable to purchase a resort package here. There is a direct bus from Seoul to this location. The bus terminal is directly connected to Express Bus Terminal Station on subway lines 3 and 7. You can also make reservations online in advance. For more details, please check the pinned comment below. Aqua shoes are mandatory here and must be worn. Outside food is only allowed for baby food and drinks in plastic bottles. Swimwear and swim caps are also required. This is the view when exiting the men's sauna into the water park. The indoor area is not very large. There are separate kiddie and junior pools. The junior pool has a depth of 90 cm, and the kiddie pool is about 15 cm deep. There are fewer facilities for toddlers compared to other hot spring water parks. The indoor kids slide is only available for children under 130 cm in height. In the central bathe pool, children under 110 cm can use tubes. Children under 140 cm must wear a life jacket. Life jackets cost 9,000 won, including a 3,000 won deposit. You can enjoy underwater hot spring massages. There are event-themed hot spring baths throughout the area. We moved to the second floor via the indoor stairs. Life jackets are required for most facilities. If you exit through the front door on the second floor, you can access the slides. But we'll first exit through the back door to use the lazy river. We visited in winter when temperatures were as low as -10 degrees Celsius. For toddlers, we recommend neoprene swimsuits. Toddlers use tubes they bring, while others use free rental tubes provided here. There are several sections where the current suddenly gets stronger. This was the kids' favorite. Right next to it, there's a kids' slide available only for children under 120 cm. If you go back to the front entrance stairs, you can ride 2 slides. Both slides are for 2 riders. Children under 120 cm are not allowed to ride. For the tornado blaster on the right, if one rider weighs more than twice the other, riding is not allowed. What you're seeing now is the Galaxy Blaster. The attractions operate for relatively long hours. There are hot spring baths in between, making it great for relaxation. Let's head down to the first floor. There's a wave pool. Although smaller than other places, the waves were quite strong. The kids preferred the lazy river we visited earlier. There's a restaurant on the indoor second floor. You make payments first using your locker key. Then you settle the total when returning the locker key. We ordered 3 items and paid about 36,000 won. The water park is more cost-effective when you purchase a resort package. We booked a 5-person accommodation including water park access for 2 people at $250. The room condition was great and the service was excellent. Lastly, here is our subjective hot spring water park score chart. Thank you for watching.